Ever spent hours switching between AI writing tools, never finding the perfect fit? I wasted 3 months bouncing between platforms until I finally tested Aphorai and Unriddle.ai side by side. Today, I'm breaking down exactly which tool works best for different writing needs, from quick content creation to deep academic research. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI assistant matches your workflow, saving you both time and frustration. The overwhelmed writer's dilemma, understanding Aphorai. Have you ever stared at a blank document, deadline approaching, wishing for a writing assistant that actually understands what you need? Not just a glorified spell checker, but something that can genuinely help organize your thoughts and transform information overload into clear, concise content. That's where Aphorai enters the picture, a tool specifically crafted for everyday content creators who find themselves regularly hitting creative roadblocks. Unlike specialized writing tools built for academics or professional researchers, Aphorai positions itself as the friendly companion for bloggers, content marketers, and casual writers who need quick results without a steep learning curve. It's designed to address the common pain points that plague the average content creator. Information scattered across multiple sources, the time-consuming nature of summarizing lengthy articles, and the need to communicate effectively across language barriers. Here's where many AI writing assistants fall short of their promises. They claim to be versatile powerhouses, but often struggle with the basics that matter most to everyday users. Many require extensive prompting or technical know-how to produce usable results. Others handle English beautifully, but stumble when working with multilingual content or diverse document formats. What good is an assistant that can only help with half your workload? Aphorai stands out with its remarkably intuitive interface that doesn't require a computer science degree to navigate. The no-code approach means you can jump right in and start getting results within minutes of signing up. The dashboard presents clear options for uploading content, processing information, and generating outputs. No confusing menus or hidden features that take weeks to discover. The platform's build feature represents perhaps its most powerful advantage for time-strapped content creators. With this functionality, users can process websites, documents, including PDFs and Word files, and even spreadsheets through a streamlined 3-step workflow. Upload your content, let the comprehension model do its magic, and then interact with the AI to extract exactly what you need. No complex configuration or technical adjustments required. Just a few clicks and you're ready to go. To put this in perspective, consider a scenario many content creators face regularly. You need to reference information from a 40-page report, but don't have time to read the entire document. Traditionally, this might take hours of skimming and note-taking. With Aphorai's summarization capabilities, you can upload the document and receive a concise summary within minutes, extracting the essential points without the manual labor. This isn't just convenient, it's a complete transformation of your workflow efficiency. What truly sets Aphorai apart from other content tools is its impressive language support. While many AI assistants focus primarily on English content, Aphorai handles over 100 languages, making it a global writer's dream tool. Imagine working with a Spanish research paper, a French website, and English notes all within the same project. Aphorai seamlessly processes and translates this multilingual content without forcing you to use separate tools or manual translation services. For example, a travel blogger researching content about Japan could upload Japanese tourism websites, have Aphorai translate and summarize the content, then incorporate these insights into their English blog post, all within the same workflow. This eliminates the frustrating back and forth between translation services, content tools, and word processors that has long been the norm for multilingual content creation. The implications for global content creators are significant. Whether you're a marketing professional working with international clients, a travel writer creating content about diverse destinations, or a content team collaborating across language barriers, Aphorai eliminates the friction that typically accompanies multilingual projects. Information remains accessible regardless of its original language, opening up research possibilities that would otherwise require multiple specialized tools or collaborators. Aphorai effectively democratizes content creation across language boundaries, making it an ideal solution for those working in multilingual environments or targeting international audiences. Its straightforward approach to handling diverse content types combined with powerful language capabilities creates a unique solution for the everyday writer who needs efficiency without complexity. The academic's arsenal, Unriddle.ai's research capabilities. Just as Aphorai liberates the everyday content creator, another tool has been quietly revolutionizing how researchers approach the overwhelming complexity of academic writing. When faced with 50 research papers and the need to weave them into a coherent argument with proper citations, the game changes entirely. Enter Unriddle.ai, a platform engineered specifically for those navigating the demanding waters of scholarly work. Picture yourself at 2 a.m., surrounded by stacks of research papers, frantically trying to connect ideas between your 20th and 30th source while ensuring every claim is properly attributed. This scenario isn't just familiar to academics. It's practically a rite of passage. But what if there was a tool designed specifically for this intellectual puzzle? Unlike the broad strokes approach of general writing assistants, Unriddle.ai was built from the ground up to address the unique challenges of academic writing. The platform's interface immediately signals its scholarly focus, prioritizing source integrity and citation management above all else. Where casual content tools might prioritize readability or engagement metrics, Unriddle.ai places academic rigor at its core. The academic writing process demands a fundamentally different relationship with source material. Every claim must be supported, every idea traced back to its origin, and every connection between sources made explicit. Unriddle.ai's architecture reflects this reality through a distinctive interface that organizes research in ways that preserve the full context of original sources. When examining Unriddle.ai's approach to citations, the contrast with general writing tools becomes stark. The platform handles APA, MLA, Chicago, and Harvard formats with remarkable precision, automatically generating properly formatted citations without the formatting errors that plague manual citation attempts. For researchers who have spent hours correcting citation inconsistencies before submission deadlines, this feature alone justifies the platform's existence. Take a specific example. When processing a complex research question about climate change adaptation strategies across developing nations, Unriddle.ai doesn't just aggregate information. It maintains clear boundaries between sources while highlighting potential connections. The platform creates visual relationship maps showing how different papers' methodologies and findings relate to each other, something casual writing tools simply aren't designed to accomplish. In a side-by-side comparison, using the same research question, the difference in output becomes immediately apparent. While general writing assistants might produce a coherent summary that blends sources together, Unriddle.ai maintains the distinct voice and methodology of each source while drawing connections between them. When asked to analyze conflicting views on a topic, it preserves the nuance and tension between opposing scholarly perspectives rather than artificially resolving them. Perhaps most importantly for academic integrity, Unriddle.ai addresses the critical issue of source attribution transparency. Each generated insight includes clear indicators of which source provided which information, allowing writers to quickly verify claims against original texts. This feature becomes particularly valuable when working with nuanced theoretical arguments where precision matters immensely. The platform's document analysis capabilities extend beyond simple text extraction to recognize the structure of academic papers themselves. It can identify methodology sections, literature reviews, results, and discussions, allowing researchers to compare similar sections across multiple papers. This structural awareness enables deeper comparative analysis than what's possible with tools designed primarily for general content creation. For collaborative research teams, Unriddle.ai offers specialized features that acknowledge the reality of academic co-authorship. Multiple researchers can annotate the same sources, tag each other in comments, and track the evolution of arguments over time, creating a shared knowledge base that preserves the contextual integrity all serious academic work requires. What truly distinguishes Unriddle.ai's approach is its commitment to the scholarly workflow itself. From literature review to draft writing to revision, the platform acknowledges the iterative, nonlinear nature of academic writing. Its interface doesn't just process information. It accompanies researchers through the entire scholarly process, offering different tools for different stages of work. Your decision. So what's the verdict? The best AI writing assistant isn't necessarily the one with the longest feature list. It's the one that seamlessly integrates with your specific workflow. Research shows writers can reclaim nearly a third of their time when using the right AI tool for their needs. If your projects require quick content creation across multiple languages, Aphorai offers that accessibility. For those deep in academic pursuits where citation integrity matters most, Unriddle.ai provides the specialized structure you need. Remember, technology should enhance your creativity, not complicate it. The ideal writing tool becomes almost invisible, quietly supporting your process while keeping your ideas, not the software, at center stage. Choose the platform that lets your unique voice shine through while handling the technical heavy lifting behind the scenes.